Good morning. Day of fishing. Baby's all getting ready in your overalls. It's about 5 in the morning. Sun's coming up nicely over the hills right now. And we're about to go to Los Vaqueros. See if we can get a boat. See if we can get striped bass, trout. Right? Right on. Got the poles. Got the cooler. We're good. Peace. We'll see you there. Boom. All right, made it to the boat. We were only literally like the 5th car, so there is so much
fish
to be had.
So many boats, so many fish, many boats.
We're gonna go for some striper, for some catfish. Told us a little bit where to go. Right on.
That's that.
That's that. We'll get back to you once we get our poles in the water.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Adios.
Adios.
Peace.
Right on. Got something. We'll see. It feels like a good size right now. But this one was striper for sure.
Was this the shed?
This was the entrance. Oh, nice! Nice striper.
Yes.
Striper here. Grab him with the net. Pull him up. Got him? Yeah, right on. Right on. Woohoo! Tight. Right on. Okay.
What do you think?
Well, let's check him out. Right on. Looks good. Nice. Striper.
Maybe we need to move. In the boat.
Oh, I'm trying to get him out of there.
Is he on there? You feel him?
Yeah, it's on there.
Should we take the anchors up?
This is 40-pound test. This is good. Come on, you can handle it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's tiny. He's too small. But hey, good job, man.
Yay!
Nice. Here, do you want to try to get him with the net or pull him? Just flip him. Do it. Flip him. Nice. Oh yeah, he's small. We gotta throw him back.
Me. Oh good, it's right on his.
Woo. Oh, don't grab him. He's gonna stab you. Just put him on the down. Put him on the ground. Yeah, put him on the ground probably. Okay. And then put your foot on him. Careful for the hook. Here, use this.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, it's just right.
Good job. Good
All
job.
right, so
Nice.
we're good.
Man.
Yay!
Here, do you want to take a picture with it?
I can't really, right?
Yeah, you
I
can.
can't hold her?
Yes, hold him.
I thought you said I'm gonna stab him.
No, just if you grab him by the dorsal fin, it's really sharp. So grab him by the mouth. Put your thumb. He's gonna fight you. Grab him by the mouth. You got it. Grab him by the lip with your thumb. Nice. Careful. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Okay, toss it back. There you go, dude. Gone.
Yay.
It literally just said, I think we should go in. And I picked up my pole to reel it in.
What you got, babe?
I don't know, let's find out. Probably
Just like our other one.
Oh, I see him. Oh, there he goes down. Whoa. Oh, jeez. There he is. He's fighting. Oh, nice. Striper. Oh. Here, get the net, bud.
Here, I'll hold the pole.
Oh, yeah, hold it.
Yeah, I got it. Woo!
Nice.
Yay!
Smaller. Nice.
Whoa! Oh, he was barely on there.
Yeah.
Is he too small?
He's a good size. He's a a great size actually. Whoa, it's all good?
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh, nice,
Nice,
babe.
right?
Woo!
That's a good one.
It's gonna be
He's
some
skinny, but he's
good
18.
eating. It'll
Yeah,
be good.
sweet. Right on, babe. We gotta cast it out right there then.
Okay.
All right. End of Los Vaqueros. End of Los Vaqueros. We caught 3 striped bass. Boom. 2 keepers. Oh, babe, where are we going?
Sorry.
We gotta go towards the
There you
marina.
go.
That
Good.
way.
Good.
We got 2 keepers, 1 shaker, who's pretty close. And it was a great time. We only were here from 7 to 12. Now it's about 12 p.m.
We have to bring the boat back now,
Exactly.
because it ain't ours.
And here they are. Boom. Nice. Nice keeper stripers. Los Vaqueros, thanks. It was tight. Peace.